Oh my god, I took so much stuff to uni.
Bring everything. So many people think, oh, the flat will have a Hoover. It won't. It's a whole faff.
When you go to uni, you think you need your entire wardrobe. Normally takes up most of the car.
I also took way too much stuff.
My mum's car was like filled to the brim.
Don't take too much. You're only in university from May, September to April, May.
What are you going to actually use at uni? Do you need all of those jumpers and then all of those summer clothes all at once?
So I took way too many pans. I think 2 or 3 pans never got used.
Bring like a cheap little handheld Hoover for your room.
You don't need many plates at all. You just need 1 or 2.
Cooking stuff, so pots, pans, plates, cutlery.
You'll have to bring your bed sheets and pot and stuff like that.
Bring like a little mini bin.
A cuddly teddy.
Food.
Make sure you've got a laptop or all your notebooks and stuff so you are ready for that first week.
Tupperware is the main thing. So Tupperware, incredible. Just put your meal in there, put it in the fridge.
I lost a lot of teaspoons for some reason, so bring a lot of teaspoons for your cups of tea.
I took stuff that probably wasn't very essential, but I was convinced that I needed a record player in my uni room.
Everything that you have at home that you use on a day-to-day basis, bring it to uni.
It is hard. You're living there. You have to take a lot of stuff.
I found that like getting like new things kind of helped make it a new place and a new experience.
I'd say bring as many personal belongings as you can fit, because when you're there, you want to feel like you're in your own space.
Also, just pack things to keep you entertained.
It's mainly about comfort as well. Like, you want your uni room to feel like home, and the only way you can do that is bringing your own things.
I'd bring some stuff from home that maybe decorated your room, because people obviously miss home when they go to uni and stuff. So bring stuff that like maybe you had in your room, like posters. Make it feel like now this is your home. You don't have that fear of missing from home.
Bring kind of your personal belongings and things that mean a lot to you, because it'll make all the difference in your space.
It does get really, really cold. So if you're up in Glasgow, do take some jackets, some gloves, hats and scarves, because it is very, very chilly come December time.
It's nice to be able to create a new living space rather than try and replace something you've already had, because it won't live up to that expectation.
Just decorations for room. That's kind of just to make yourself feel more homely.
I'd make sure you go to university with money, because your student loan doesn't come in during your first few weeks, and you still want to obviously have the experience and be able to afford to live without that student loan. So I'd get a job or have some savings before.
Actually think about how you're going to live when you're packing, and just be practical about it.
Because you have limited storage, so taking all your clothes, it can take up a lot of space.